Okay, we made it, people. We made it to Brazil versus Senegal. Long trip, people, but we're here, man. We're right in the Emirates, right in the thick of it. In the Ops end, mate, where we got absolutely pumped by Arsenal. Is it already, mate? Rodrygo, Vini starting today. Big up. Real Madrid, all day, every day. Hey, Vini just done a horrible pass, bruv. Senegal are through. So corner to Senegal, people. Corner there to Senegal. This is going to be an exciting match. I know this 100% going to be exciting. Oh, it's a great turn, mate. Vini's got the ball here. Hey, Vini's got the ball. Go on, Vini. Go on, Vini, bruv. Do something, bruv. Oh, yeah, there's a chance, bruv. Hey, Vini laid up a nice through ball there, but... Hey, there he is. Man like Don Carlo, he's still doing this. Like, I bet he's chewing up. Look at him. Go on, Carlo! Rodrygo just had an absolute chance, mate. He cut in from the left-hand side. Beautiful play by Rodrygo. My guy, bro. He's through the middle. Hey, he's got the chance here! It's a goal! It's a goal, bro! Man like Brazil, bro! Woo! Brazil fucking getting the goal, bro! I can't even see who it is, man! He's seized in here, bro! Seized, bro! Seized, bro! Over the Corinthians, bro! Seized, bro! What a goal, mate! Sensational goal! What a great goal! Who scored it? I can't even see. I can't even see who, man. Who scored it? Hey, look at the Brazilians over there, mate. Absolutely mad. Hey, Brazilians going crazy over here. We got Looney going crazy over here. Man just clocked. It was Esteval, people, yeah? I just clocked it was Esteval. What a beautifully taken goal, mate. Chelsea star-studded man, mate. Absolutely sensational stuff. It's a great tackle here, mate. Vini's got the ball. Vini's got the ball. He's got Rodrygo on the left. He's got Esteval on the right. What's he gonna do? Hey, Vini's absolutely atrocious, mate. As per usual, mate. Vini's absolutely atrocious, mate. Mate, same shit from Real Madrid. Absolutely same stuff, mate. We know. I just clocked that Militao's playing as a right back, bro. Carlo Ancelotti doing Ancelotti things as per usual, mate. Hey, here goes Militao on the right back, you know. This guy, bro. That's a great pass by Militao. Actually, go on, Rodrygo, mate. Go through, bruv. That's a foul, no? A foul, yeah. It's a foul to Rodrygo, bruv. Great, he's trying to dart through the centre. Big up Rodrygo. Rodrygo's about to take it. That's a great ball back post. What a goal! Oh my fucking days, bro! What a goal, man! Unbelievable! What a goal, people! Hey, Rodrygo, why don't you do that for Real Madrid? Do that for Real Madrid, people! Come on! Why doesn't Rodrygo doing that for Real Madrid, bro? Come on, it's a beautiful free kick. Beautiful. Ancelotti's looking absolutely sensational at the moment. Look at him in his suit, mate. What a beautiful free kick by Rodrygo. Who flipping scored it? I got such bad seats, mate. I'm up in the gods in the Emirates. What a beautiful goal, man. Who scored it? I can't even tell. Nice for VAR. VAR. Guys, it's a VAR decision. It's VAR. It's VAR, it hasn't gone off yet. They're checking it, people, they're checking it. I think it was slightly offside, I'm not gonna lie. I think it was slightly offside. I think it was slightly offside. Let me take my seat. Let me see if this was offside or not. Let me just say something. Why are they doing VAR checks in flipping friendlies, man? That's so stupid, bro. Just let the game carry on. It just ruins the whole friendly. It ruins it completely, bro. Players are concerned, rightly so. But how long did it take to do a VAR check? Come on. Who said that? Oh. Did you say that? It's a goal, people! It's a goal! It's 2-0 to Brazil. What a beautiful free kick that was. I've just seen a replay. What a beautiful goal. Unbelievable goal from Casemiro. Rodrygo with a perfect inch free kick bait. And Casemiro, beautiful, unbelievable. Great, great goal. Great goal. I tell you what, this Brazil turn up in the World Cup. I don't think they have a chance. I don't think they have a chance in the World Cup, but we'll see, man. No chance in the World Cup, no? Why is Rodrygo playing this well for Brazil and he's not playing anything at all for Real Madrid? It's crazy to me. Like, Brazil's different level. Like, this guy's thinking of different things on the spot. Look at this guy, bro. Look at this guy, bro. He's got nuts, mate. The seeds, bro. Mexico wave is full in effect. Hey! Ancelotti has nightmares of the stadium, bro. Ancelotti has nightmares of the Emirates, bro. We don't want to repeat nothing like last time, bro. Nothing. Absolute nightmares. Good play by Senegal here, but good press there. Esteval doing his usual stuff. Good pass there by Esteval. Horrible. This guy, mate, he puts people in so much trouble here. Good pass out. Rodrygo's in a 10 here. Good play, man. Good play. Good play. Out to Vini. Rodrygo's in the centre. Hey, Vini is absolutely horrific, mate. Vini is so flipping shit, bro. This guy, mate. He is so suspect, mate. This guy is absolutely horrific. Yes, exactly. Exactly.
No, vai se lascar. I want to see who is going to obligate me to send the ball by me. They are rich, David. Why do you want the ball back?
He's got Wesley on the outside. Esteval cuts in. Esteval! Outside! Shoot! Vini is so flipping slow, man. This guy, man. Hey, Vini, bro, your days are numbered, mate, I tell ya.
Hey, the guy didn't send the ball back, lah. He took the ball.
Vini is absolutely stinking it out today, man. They just announced that there's 58,000 people in the stadium. But Emirates, in a friendly sensation. You can see, big up the Senegalese, big up the Brazilians. Each and every time, obviously, coming to the stadium. Making these friendlies much more enjoyable than should be. Good pass by Vini.
What?
Yeah. We're Brazilians are never a friendly.
We are not friendly.
Vini's coming off, guys. Hey, we got boos, we got cheers. You can hear that, guys. We got boos and we got cheers. Hey, look at Ancelotti hugging Vini, bro. Nah, bro. It's done, people. 2-0 to Brazil. 2-0 to Brazil. Brazil 2, Senegal 0. And obviously, as a Real Madrid fan, you know I'm here to watch all the Brazilian players play, including Vini, Rodrygo, and Militao especially. Great performance pretty much from Rodrygo and Militao. I thought Vini was pretty much all over the place. Didn't really show too much of what he could do. But Rodrygo, what a sensational free kick at the back post for Casemiro to tuck it away at the far post. Absolute superb control by ex-Real Madrid star Casemiro. And yeah, for me personally, I look at Brazil and are they favourites for the World Cup? No. I say Spain, Argentina, a lot of different teams, much better than Brazil, more coherent as a team. I don't think that Brazil can actually touch the top 5 in Europe and including Argentina in that one, but they played well under Ancelotti. I really liked this 4-2-2 formation with Esteval and Rodrygo Vini, Cunha up front, and in the first half they killed off any chance for Senegal to come back. Obviously Senegal had the opportunities. We saw Mane quite influential on his side on the wings, trying to break out, trying to score, but unfortunately they could not muster up a goal. When Brazil, they were clinical at times, and when Esteval cut in with his left foot, an absolute zinger of a shot, and that's the kind of stuff that we want to see from Brazil. Really quick, really high tempo football, where Brazil itself, I tell you what, if they do play like that, maybe they can disturb some of the top teams in the World Cup, but it's still early to decide. Ancelotti still needs to put the pieces together. He still needs to really understand what's his best team in Brazil. And I still think that Vini and Rodrygo are going to be super influential. Players like Cunha are going to be super influential. But Esteval, that guy is an absolute future star. He's a generational talent. What an absolute crazy player he is. The way he can pass players, dip his shoulder, everything that he's doing was absolutely incredible in the match. Midfield, Guimaraes, Casemiro, decent enough. Obviously, I don't see Casemiro as a player that can really run and try and chase people down, but what he is good is defending the back four. And that back four with Militao on the right-hand side, with the two centre-backs being Marquinhos, Gabriel and Alessandro on the left-hand side, it's a decent squad, but I think Militao personally is better than Marquinhos, personally, in my opinion. But obviously Ancelotti doing Ancelotti things, playing Militao for a long period, and as Real Madrid fans, we are going to be so frustrated at that, so frustrated. And it's crazy to see that Militao is getting a run out for nearly 70, 80 minutes when he has club football around the corner, when he's come back literally from one of the worst injuries that he's ever faced. So I'm really fuming at that from Ancelotti, but you get Vini out there, of course. You get Vini, you kept a lot of the players out there, including Rodrygo, and unfortunately for me, I really want to see Vini click also on international stage. 2-0, Brazil. Looney, what do you think of the game?
It was nice in the beginning,
Yeah.
first time, but the second time it was very boring.
Yeah, second half was boring, I believe, though. And Vini got actually mixed reception when he came off. Got some boos, got some cheers from the Brazilian fans. And I think we all know why. I think we all know that he wasn't playing his best. I think Rodrygo was really good. Esteval on the right-hand side was really good. So that's pretty much the vlog ended, guys. Honestly, a very decent performance from Brazil. Defense was very solid, I got to say, especially from set pieces, defending them on occasions. And I think Militao on the right-hand side, right back, not really too sure about that, but ultimately, you know, it's Ancelotti's decision. He plays Marquinhos in the centre. I think Militao is better than Marquinhos, I've got to be honest. But ultimately, I think this game here is just a little insight into what Brazil can offer in the World Cup. I still don't think, you think Brazil could win the World Cup?
I think they need to
Improve.
a lot.
Yeah, improve a lot, absolutely. And I definitely think so. I think Spain are ahead of them. France definitely. We see teams like Portugal really good as well, Argentina. So look, Brazil need to improve a lot. And if you watch the vlog obviously all the way until the end and you saw our match reaction just now, much appreciated. What a vlog it was. Super crazy. She wants to show the Corinthians. Vai Corinthians. Vai Corinthians. And yeah, it's absolutely crazy. We're here outside the Emirates, guys, and we are going to, come here. We're going to love you and leave you, as per usual. Maybe. Take care, guys, and this has been our vlog at Brazil versus Senegal. 2-0, people. Great result.